Let me show you guys in this video how you can change your Minecraft skin. Now this is something really simple to do and it's a really quick tutorial. Now if you have not made a skin by yourself and you want to search one in the internet, go into the description down below where I'm going to let you the link to this website. This is the Skindex. In here you're going to find a lot of different skins and even you can edit your own and upload any skin that you create. Now in this case I'm only going to download one of them and to show you guys how you can set it up into your Minecraft launcher. Let's select for example here, Naruto, one of my favorite animes. You want to click into it and from here you want to click where you see the button of download on the right side. Once this is downloaded, you want to open your Minecraft launcher and on the top you want to go where you see skins. This is the current skin that we have and you want to click on the right side where you see new skin. You can name it anything that you want. I'm going to select Naruto on my case and here you can change the white or slim models and here you have the skin file. Click into browse and you want to go into your downloads folder where you have the file downloaded. Click on it and click into open. Now you want to click into save and use and as you can see I have the skin of Naruto. Now you can start Minecraft itself and now you can see guys you're going to have the skin that you selected inside of your Minecraft world. And that's it for this tutorial guys. If you enjoyed the content, don't forget to drop a like into the video and to subscribe to the channel for more content like this one. See you guys on the next time. Bye bye.